Hi everyone, I'm Rock, and today I'm here with my colleague Marco. Today we are talking about GemmeCotti's A-operated double diaphragm pumps, series HAOD. Marco, what are the advantages of this pump?
It comes down with the three main points, Rock. They are very reliable, safe by design, and truly versatile. We designed them this way to be perfect for the most demanding applications.
Let's start with reliability. What makes them so reliable?
It's all in the design. A special air system prevents stalling, so the pump runs constantly and smoothly. But there's more. They can run dry for a long time without any damage. They can also operate against a closed discharge, which protects the pump and the system. They are engineered to never stop.
Reliability is so important. Think about the cost of production downtime. With the right pump, you can avoid it.
Yes, the cost of downtime is huge, but with our AODD pumps, the risk is very low. Our pumps prevent with their simple, robust design and a few moving parts. This also guarantees easier maintenance. This is the real saving for the customer.
That's a crucial point. Now, what about safety, and especially in dangerous area?
Safety is built into the design, Rock. For hazardous areas, we offer an ATEX certified pump.
Excellent. And the third point was versatility. How do handle different industrial needs?
Through our engineering materials, to ensure they can work with all chemicals, we offer them in polypropylene, PVDF, and stainless steel 316. This makes them very resistant to almost any kind of chemicals and acids. They are also powerful self-priming pumps and can easily handle liquids with solid particles or with high viscosity.
Thanks, Marco. So, to sum it up, a pump engineered to be very reliable, designed to be safe, and built to be truly versatile.
Exactly, Rock is the result of our proven Italian engineering.
Choose our HAOD pumps for your critical processes.
Learn more at GemmeCotti.com or contact us at info@gemmecotti.com for any information. Thanks for watching.
See you
See
next
you next
time.
Safety is built into the design. For hazardous areas, we offer a certified ATEX.
Oh, Maronno Carmine.
Però è una bella entrata questa.
E a parlare in
Ehi!